A big rain hits, and suddenly your basement's at risk of turning into a swamp. Before you know it, you're facing pricey repairs or ruined belongings. That's because most sealants out there aren't up to the job. They crack or peel under pressure, leaving you high and dry, or rather, soaked and stressed. We get it. You need a solution you can trust, because wasting time on a fix that fails isn't your style. That's exactly why Everbond Foundation Sealant is different. Everbond's designed to stick like nothing else, grabbing onto concrete, brick, or masonry and holding tight. Since it's tough yet flexible, it won't give up when storms hit. Instead, it bends and stretches to keep every drop of water out. That's how it turns your foundation into a fortress, no matter what the weather throws at it. Because it's made for practical folks like you, Everbond keeps things simple. You can brush or roll it on without a hassle. And since it flows on smooth, you get a clean, sharp look that says job well done. That one bucket creates a waterproof shield, so leaks don't stand a chance. Not today, not years from now. We're DIYers too, so we know you want a product that respects your time and money. That's why Everbond's built to let you tackle the project yourself, with results you'll brag about. So why risk a flood when you can protect your home for good? Hit shop now to get Everbond Foundation Sealant on Amazon today.